Dad and a plane joining us on this Sunday morning. It's January 15th. I'm Katrina Smith. It's a cold morning out there. You're going to stay under the blankets a little bit longer. Let's head over to the Weather Center with meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric.
Yes, that's
those
right.
Temperatures, like I woke up and I got out of bed this morning and I just wanted to crawl right back in.
I feel like that's the hardest part in the winter. I don't mind the cold temperatures, but when you wake up
and
you're
cold in
cozy,
your house.
Yeah, you're cozy in your blanket, and then you have to get up and it's colder out. It's like, I don't know. But yeah, it is on the chilly side this morning in the teens right now. We're seeing some clouds still in the area now. We are expecting sunshine later today, but due to at least the moisture in the air for today, these clouds will linger a little bit longer, especially for those of you near Syracuse. You can see right here on the conditions, Syracuse, Ithaca, Rome, all seeing clouds. However, Binghamton is seeing sunshine. So this will the clouds will gradually diminish throughout the day. And speaking of sunshine, we were talking about sunrise and sunset times. Today, sunrise 7:29, and next week 7:25. 2 weeks from now, 7:19, and next month, 6:58. And since the start of this month, we've actually gained about 20 to 30 minutes of additional sunshine, so I'm on board with that. Now, live look at our radar, things are looking quiet across the area for today, and will continue to remain quiet, at least for the remainder of today, as well as tomorrow. Things start to turn unsettled as we head into Tuesday. Look at that, full forecast is coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Eric. Breaking news this morning.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. A chilly start to your Sunday morning with temperatures in the teens. Gradually warming up today into the upper 20s with sunshine by this evening. Got to get some cloud cover, at least for this morning. Taking a live look outside, some cloudy skies across the area. Our Utica National camera overlooking Main Street in Cooperstown. Lowest temperature overnight, 10 degrees reported in Woodgate. So we did reach the low temperature last night, and as we head into today, gradually warming up, but not by much. However, quiet conditions on Yorkville Battery's Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is all due to an area of high pressure bringing quiet conditions to our area. And in fact, taking a look at the bigger picture right here, we see a high pressure. It's basically just right over the Great Lakes. And this will be dragging in some cooler air from the north, but as this shifts to the east, we're going to be seeing more warmer weather from the south, but still not bringing in too much warmer weather. We're looking at temperatures, at least for today and tomorrow, with highs only reaching the upper 20s to lower 30s. So taking a look at around the clock for today, temperatures warming up from the teens to the upper 20s to lower 30s. Along with that, too, we're expecting clouds to continue for the morning, at least for some parts of the area due to lake effect, but this will gradually decrease, and we could be seeing some more sunshine as we head into this evening with clear skies tonight if you have a chance, if you have binoculars or a telescope to view the comet. So this is our cloud forecast, at least for today. Now, this is all due to lake effect. Now, sunshine in the wintertime is harder to come by because of the cooler temperatures. When winds move over the Great Lakes, it will produce additional cloud cover. So for right now, at least our cloud forecast, lingering clouds to continue at least a little bit longer today, especially areas just south of Utica in the Mohawk Valley, Madison County, Shenango County. Now, the cloudy skies are still in Otsego County right now, but this will gradually weaken and more sunshine as we head into this afternoon. Same for the North Country as well as most of the Mohawk Valley. Now, for today, still temperatures on the chilly side, warming up into the upper 20s to lower 30s by this afternoon and evening. And then seeing some clouds continue to move into the area once again as this high pressure continues to move over our area. Overnight temperatures tonight back down into the teens and lower 10s to single digits. And by tomorrow morning, more sunshine, a better setup for sunshine by tomorrow. Temperatures warming up similarly, but a little bit more warmer into the upper 20s to lower 30s. Now, keeping an eye on it as we head into Monday evening to early Tuesday morning. Still quiet conditions, clouds start to arrive, and then a brief round of snow and mixing possible before some more rain showers do arrive. Still not expecting much in terms of accumulation, but we are expecting a stronger system to arrive as we head into the end of the week. So for today, high 32 degrees. Some morning clouds make way for some sunshine by this evening. Tonight, down to 10 degrees once again with partly cloudy skies. Our 7-day forecast, weather turns unsettled yet again for Tuesday. That continues for pretty much the remainder of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Not all the day will be rainy or snowy, but still, temperatures still hovering right around freezing. Could see a mixture of rain and snow for all those days. And a trivia question, when painting, mixing gray with any color produces a what?
I'm going to throw shade at you. See?
Shade in his tone. Now, I had to look this up because I'm not at least. I
have no idea.
Yeah. So,
I have no idea. Like, I went to a charcoal class and I was the worst in the class, and it was kids.
So
It was a
you,
kids class.
so you take any color, you add white to it, it's a tint. You add
Okay.
gray to it, it's a tone. If you add black to it, it's
It's
a
a shade.
Yes.
Well, that makes
It's
sense.
a technical thing. Personally, I think it's multiple shades, but I'm not a fancy artist, so.
I think I could remember that, though. If you add gray, it's a tone. I got it. I hope you have it at home, too. Thanks, Eric. So in the South, we're getting... Welcome back, and thank you for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith. Get you over to the Weather Center. It is a very chilly start to the day. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Yes, that's right. Chilly start this morning. Clouds start out with some sunshine heading this evening, and that sunshine will continue not only for tomorrow, but as well, or for today as well as tomorrow. But then so a little bit of a break in
Little sun.
a little bit of
Yeah.
sunshine. We return to more unsettled weather as we head into the middle of the week, and I want to emphasize this because as we head into the next couple of days between Tuesday and Friday, now we're going to be seeing some precipitation, but the temperatures will be hovering right around freezing. So this means we're not going to see just rain and we're not going to see just snow. And here's a look at basically the temperatures. The green means that air all the way up in the atmosphere is below freezing, and red means that air somewhere in the atmosphere is above freezing. So that means it could fall as rain or a mix. You can see right here over the next several days, it's going back and forth between snow and rain, snow and rain. So for the most part, the forecast for this week, generally unsettled. We can't pinpoint what to expect in terms of rain or snow just yet, but expect at least some sort of rain and snow as we head into Tuesday and Friday. Not every day will be completely a washout, but for today, though, expect some sunshine this evening, and that will continue for tomorrow as well. Of your full week forecast in detail coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much. Next week,
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. A chilly start to your Sunday morning, too, with mostly cloudy skies. Clouds are gradually weakened by this afternoon with some sunshine by this evening, and that sun will continue until tomorrow. Here's a live look outside our Cafe Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Still looking at quiet conditions across the Mohawk Valley this morning, still with those lingering clouds. And taking a live look at Yorkville Battery's Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, quiet conditions across the area. Now, an area of high pressure just towards the north will be causing the weather to remain quiet for today, but it'll be dragging in some cooler air over the Great Lakes. And that means that clouds will linger just a little bit longer this morning, at least until this afternoon. Around the clock today, temperatures starting out chilly, warming up in the upper 20s to lower 30s, 24 by noon and 29 by 3 p.m. Gradually cooling down once again by tonight with more clearing skies. Along with that, too, seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning, probably wondering where the sunshine is going to be. Sun will start to arrive by this afternoon and this evening around 3 to 4 p.m. as those clouds gradually weaken. In fact, not everyone will see mostly sunny skies. As I said before, clouds or at least sunshine in the wintertime is a little bit harder to come by due to those cooler temperatures as winds move over the Great Lakes. Lingering clouds will continue. So for the most part, if you are out further away from the Great Lakes, more out towards Little Falls, Old Forge out here this direction, so we'll see more sunshine than clouds for today, but for those of you in Shingo County, Madison County, even the western part of Oneida County, still can see some lingering clouds for at least the early part of this afternoon before clouds gradually weaken once again by tonight. And in fact, on our Skycast, starting out this morning on the chilly side, still looking dry conditions, temperatures warming up in the upper 20s to lower 30s. By tonight, temperatures cooling down once again. It's similar to last night, down into the upper teens to lower teens by early tomorrow morning. 6 a.m., your morning commute is looking dry for tomorrow, and generally going to need some sunglasses for the day as sunshine will arrive by the afternoon and continue at least until the evening. Now, the sunshine, at least for the next couple of days, isn't going to last. As we head into Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon, clouds will start to increase, and then we'll see a brief round of snow and possible wintry mix before that switches over to rain by the afternoon. And this will start up a several-day stretch of unsettled weather as we head into the middle of next week. So for today, high of 32 degrees with morning clouds and sun in this evening. Tonight, cooling down into the single digits, at least for wind chill. It'll feel a little bit more chilly than 10 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Our 7-day forecast, looking at light rain possible Tuesday, showers into Wednesday, even into Thursday. Thursday's rain is trending a little bit earlier, taking a look at the timing of this, arriving at least by the afternoon, so still a little bit more earlier, at least compared to what we forecast for yesterday. And our final trivia question of the weekend, how many times in NFL history has a team made the playoffs with a losing record?
I have no idea, so I'm going to probably go 0 for 2. We'll go with C.
Ding, 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 you got it right. When in doubt, pick C, and it's 6 times, and 2 of them actually happened in the past couple of years. So when you have a team, at least in the playoffs, you usually expect the best teams in the league, and when you have teams with a losing record, it all has to do with conferences and stuff and divisions.
Right,
so.
but apparently it's happened 6 times. Thank you so much, Eric. And coming up after the break, we have the story about a goat with a prosthetic leg. You're going to want to stick around for that.
Time now for your forecast tonight at 6 with meteorologist Eric Gage. And Eric, we've been looking into that literally all day. Yes,
and first off, I got an email, or also a message too, a little bit earlier on this morning, talking about the big boom. I didn't hear it last night, and then I was hearing about a bunch of other people that heard it too. So did some digging. Obviously, thankfully, people sent in some videos, and we were actually able to pinpoint exactly, or at least a rough estimate of where this meteor actually was. Now, taking a live look at your Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, dot for the radar. Right now, quiet conditions, but I want to zoom in a little bit. We've isolated it to 2 spots. This is location 1. It is just to the northwest of Oppenheim, looking to be near this farm field area just off of Route 29. A second location is also possible just north of Lassesville, if I pronounced that correctly. It's just north of there in the middle of a state park. So for the most part, that's pretty hard to access. So for right now, the way we actually did this is that we used the delay of the boom and the location of the cameras. Once again, thank you to Desiree Sanders and Bob Case for those videos. We determined the 2 possible locations. If we had a third camera, we could isolate the actual location, but 2 locations as of now. If you know anyone that is near that location that has seen anything, be sure to have them contact us. More information is gladly appreciated. Right now, current temperature is 21 degrees, feels like 12 with the wind chill, and for tonight, temperatures cooling down into the teens with sunshine tomorrow, and they return to unsettled weather throughout the week. Look at your full week forecast planned ahead coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. Police in New Hartford arrested
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Some lingering clouds this morning made way for some sunshine for some of us this afternoon. Now for tonight, chilly temperatures, quiet conditions, and more sun tomorrow. But that'll be it before additional unsettled weather returns as we head into Tuesday. Here's a live look outside our Caveat Tower camera overlooking St. Utica. Clouds are starting to move right back in again, but still they will gradually decrease once again by tomorrow. As well as taking a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, dot the radar. Once again, quiet conditions across the area for tonight, and this will continue for tomorrow as well. Clouds and the sun angle stopped a lot of these temperatures from warming up into the 30s for today. Temperatures in the evening, 17 Barneveld, as well as 17 in Curtis Corners, 12 in West Leiden, 22 in New Hartford, and at 20 degrees in Clinton. Southern Valley's chilly as well, 17 in Milford, at 23 in Worcester, 17 in Edmondson, at 22 in Paynes Hollow, and 18 degrees in Eaton. Taking a look at your week ahead, starting out tomorrow, things are looking dry, nothing to look at in terms of rain or snow. As we head into Tuesday, we're going to see a weak front move into our area. This means a mixture of rain and possibly some freezing rain with that too. More info on that coming up in just a minute. Wednesday and Thursday, more rain showers become more scattered versus isolated, meaning that more of us will see a higher chance of seeing some rain showers, along with some more snow as cooler temperatures move in once again at Wednesday evening and Thursday, a little bit of snow ahead of some rain showers. And this is due to temperatures still hovering right around freezing, making it difficult to forecast whether it will be rain or snow or both. But for sunshine, tomorrow numerous breaks. In fact, plenty of sunshine by tomorrow evening as a ridge of high pressure builds in. Tuesday, a few breaks before more rain showers arrive by the afternoon. Along with that, too, overcast skies are likely for Wednesday and Thursday. So get out and enjoy the last day of at least plenty of sun for tomorrow. Now, on our Skycast for tonight, still looking at chilly temperatures down into the teens and possibly single digits in those higher elevations. By tomorrow morning, looking dry with additional light cloud cover gradually weakening once again by the afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures warming up into the upper 20s to low 30s. By tomorrow night, looking at clear skies, if you do have a chance to catch the comet that is still right now near the horizon, for right now still clear conditions across the area. By tomorrow for Tuesday afternoon, I should say, clouds start to increase, and then we're looking at some rain showers. Along with that, too, the possibility of some freezing rain as temperatures are still hovering right around freezing. So be careful if you're out on the roads, especially for Tuesday afternoon. And this will gradually turn to more rain showers as temperatures will gradually warm up above freezing by the afternoon. So for tonight, low of 10 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, high of 33 with some afternoon sunshine. A bit hard trying to get into that 30-degree mark right there, but our 7-day forecast, Tuesday, light rain. Wednesday, turn to some rain and snow showers, along with some mixing as we head into Friday. Dry a little bit on Saturday, return to lake effect once again on Sunday. Ben?
Thank you very much, Eric. Coming up next, Tallahassee is into the sport neighborhood. A Utica man is facing charges after police say he attacked staff. First look at your forecast tonight at 11 with meteorologist Eric Gage. And Eric, we have some new video that's come in since 6 o'clock, and this video, for the most part, confirms what we've been thinking, that this is, in fact, a meteor that we're looking at. Yeah,
so our skepticism before was we didn't see a trail in the sky. We just saw a flashing light. So although it was very likely a meteor, we couldn't 100% confirm it. Now, with this video sent in by Nate Casper of Cedar Lake, see in the very left-hand corner, a trail moving through the sky. It's going to be falling just behind a hill in just a second or two. You can see it right there, just very briefly. This happened around at 9:45 last night. So for those of you that woke up with a very loud bang, that was the reason why. Now, we've pretty much spent all day trying to isolate where this probably fell, and thank you to everyone who sent in videos, Desiree Sanders, Bob Case, with basically adding ability to figure out where this was. We used timing with the sound as well as the location of the cameras, determined two locations, and to do additional videos. We have isolated it to an area just north of Oppenheim. If you know anyone in this area, especially in between Route 29 as well, just in that general area, we're expecting, at least right now, the possibility of where that meteor has hit. Now, weather right now, current conditions 16 degrees, feels like 6 with that wind chill, so frigid temperatures tonight, low of 10 degrees with quiet conditions, sunshine tomorrow, and then a return to unsettled weather for the week ahead. Look, that full forecast is coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. Packy's.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Wrapping up a quiet weekend across central New York, wrapping up with plenty of sunshine too for some of us. Chilly temperatures tonight and more sunshine tomorrow before we return to unsettled weather as we head into Tuesday. Here's a live look outside our Utica National camera overlooking Main Street in Cooperstown. Quiet conditions across central New York, as well as taking a live look at Yorkville Battery's Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Looking at some snow way out beyond Albany to the east, but that's not going to be hitting us at least for the near future. Taking a look at our precipitation outlook for the next couple of days. Starting out tomorrow, it's looking dry with plenty of sunshine. Looking at more isolated rain showers on Tuesday. Keep that in mind for if you're heading driving for the afternoon. Could be seeing some freezing rain mixing in with this due to the temperatures, so just be aware for Tuesday. Now, for Wednesday, looking at more mixing, especially with snow in the North Country and Southern Valleys and rain in the Mohawk Valley. All depends on temperatures, and then more additional rain showers return by Thursday afternoon. So the driest day of the next several is going to be on Monday. Along with that too, the sunniest day of the next several days is going to be on Monday as well. Plenty of sunshine, high pressure builds in. More clouds move in on Tuesday with some isolated rain showers turning into some snow briefly ahead of that. Wednesday and Thursday, still starting out Wednesday with lingering snow and rain showers. Once again, those snow showers are going to be in higher elevations. And then similar for Thursday with additional rain showers moving in. So for the most part, cloudy skies, at least for the remainder of the work week. So our skycast for tonight, still chilly temperatures with increasing clouds, especially just south of the Mohawk Valley, south of Utica, the I-90 corridor. By noon tomorrow, clouds are gradually weakened, plenty of sunshine, temperatures warming up into the upper 20s to low 30s. And then cooling down once more back into the lower 20s to single-digit wind chills possibly as we head into Tuesday morning. Now, Tuesday afternoon, around noon, you can see this front moving in. This is where we're going to see some mixing possibly with freezing rain. Now, the temperatures will gradually warm up throughout the day. So as we head into Thursday evening to Thursday night, warming up into the lower to mid 30s. So more rain showers are expected. So at least for Tuesday afternoon, be on the lookout for some possible freezing rain and the possibility of tricky travel, at least for Tuesday, and even some instances in the remainder of the work week. So for tonight, low of 10 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, high of 33 with some afternoon sunshine. Our 7-day forecast, weather turns to settle for Tuesday. Want to mention what's going to be happening on Wednesday. Still looking at some rain showers, but still snow in those higher elevations. And that will continue at least for the remainder of Wednesday, drying out, then returning to additional rain showers on Thursday from a much stronger front, but still not looking to be at least significant in terms of snowfall. But still, we're keeping an eye on some possible mixing along with this system as well. Ben?
Thank you very much, Eric. Coming up next, Tall House in at the